Everyone, in today's class we are going to discuss pedobarography. So I think you must have familiar with this what is mean by pedobarography. So pedobarography is nothing but it's a type of device where you can measure your pressure distribution on your foot. Okay, so this is very important to examine the posture or the gait, not only about the function of the foot and also to the ankle. So this is the main technique where you can analyze what is the posture of the people with by means of device which is called the pedobarograph. Okay, so it is always in association with the complete clinical examination with gait analysis, because this gait analysis is the way we can study walking style of the particular people. Okay, so let's see what is mean by pedography. The name stands for the static. That is the we can measure two kind of things by means of pedography. So static is nothing but it's a stable where you can analyze the posture, how they are standing on the ground. Okay. So dynamic again it's a kind of posture what we are maintaining while walking. That is here comes the role of gait analysis. Okay, so when you are placing your foot on the land when you are walking, so how the pressure difference, how the force is acting on the ground, whether if you are maintaining a proper posture, the force will be spread all over the foot, so that you can come to know the patient having a proper gait cycle, so that in later days you don't have any problem related to posture or leg pain or something, joint pain or something. Okay, the pressure difference, the pressure equilibrium is very important in order to maintaining our posture, because if you are putting force or load on particular area for over long period of time, what will happen in the sense over certain period of time, yeah, that particular area will get start to fracture. Okay, they will start to faint. Okay, so start to degrade, it means that it start to degrade, it will leads to some kind of pain. That is the reason why we have to follow the equilibrium position when we are standing or walking. So that type of analysis we can make with the type of device called pedobarography. So here you can make two kind of measurement. One is static measurement, another one is dynamic measurement. So static measurement just when we are standing, or we are like when we are sitting, what kind of posture we are maintaining, that is very important. But here only we are concentrating on standing, because the device has been designed in such a way it can measure the pressure difference on ankle and the foot. Okay, so second case, you can even have the measurement of dynamic range, that is when you are moving, how you are placing your feet or your foot on the land, whether the pressure is being distributed or your body is balanced in equally. So all kind of in all kind of aspects you can measure with help of this device. So as I said before, since you need to understand very much, or whether we have to know the application of pedography, first we should know what is a gait cycle. This is a very important thing. The reason is that here the static is very simple. When we are standing, what is the pressure difference we can measure. Okay, because these days the young generation, the students are they are thinking that they are walking or the standing as a style by in terms of stylish, they are not maintaining the proper stability or proper posture. That this is the main reason in future days, over period of time, they will tend to have so many kind of problems related to ligaments or related to joints and so on. That is the reason here I have bring this topic, gait cycle, to have a proper posture when standing on walking and so on. So let's have what is about gait cycle, what are the different stages are there in gait cycle. There are two phases, one is stance phases, another one is swing phases. In stance phases we will have two support, one is double support and the single support. In swing phases we will having only single support. Okay, so the combination of two legs we will having concentrating in the gait cycle. So that is the reason when we are walking, it's main thing to important our this pressure distribution from starting to end point. Okay, so here comes the role of a pedography. So initially starting from stand space to sink phase, how the pressure has been transferring, is transferring, or load is transferring to your foot. Okay, whether it's equally it's being transferred, or it is being equally is maintained in both legs and so on. Okay, so now let's have a small activity to have a deep understand about this gait cycle. We have now students from third years will play, or they will demonstrate the each stances, the each stages in these two stances, stance phase and swing phases in gait cycle. Let's have a look, and later in next class we will have a deep discussion of this particular gait cycle. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kavita. Along with Hemalata, we are going to perform an activity on pedograph. Pedograph is a device used to measure the pressure distribution on a person's foot while standing or walking. Stand phase and swing phase. Stand phase is a part of gait cycle when the foot is contact with the ground. Swing phase is a part of gait cycle where the foot is off the ground and moving forward. Stage 1. Heel strike. The moment the heel first touches the ground. Stage 2. Loading response. The period when the body observes the impact of foot landing and weight begins to shift onto the stance leg. In swing phase, Stage 1. Toe off. This begins right after toe off when the foot leaves the ground and the leg accelerates forward. Stage 2. Mid-swing. The foot is half away through its movement and the leg continues to move forward as the time swings past the body. Terminal swing. The leg begins to decelerate as it prepares for heel strike, and the next stance phase, the foot is positioned for landing. Heel strike, free swing, knee double support. Loading response, mid stance, terminal stance, mid swing, terminal swing.